Hello guys, thank you for watching my video. I'm very appreciated. Put your questions below and I will answer. I answer on any comments, any questions. And today I continue to talk with you about coconut oil. How can we use coconut oil to our everyday life? It's not necessary to go to the shop for buying cleaning for your teeth, mask for your hair, lipstick for your lips, everything, all this kind stuff, this kind products you can create by yourself at home. And I will show you the way you can use with coconut oil. And first I want to show you how you can create toothpaste, not even toothpaste, cleanser for your teeth to make your teeth so white and beautiful. And I'll show you two ways. First of all, what you can do with coconut oil. You can, first way, I actually tried this way only one time, I will tell you true, because after watching some movie, girl did it, and I tried, and it was pretty well, but I'm not sure from first time you can see so much difference. But way is like that. You take a little bit of coconut oil. No, it's like recommended 1 teaspoon, and just put to your mouth and hold in your mouth for 5-20 minutes. Let's try it. Time passed and already I put out my coconut oil from my mouth, and you can see the effect. In front of you, just right now, I created my way to making homemade cleanser paste for your teeth, and I just tell you one more time if you don't understand what I put in my glass. What kind of ingredients, additional ingredients. Of course, I put 1 teaspoon room temperature coconut oil. I put half of a teaspoon baking soda and 3 little bit of lemon juice. And I'm just sure that these kind of ingredients will make your teeth white. Yes. Okay, if we started with our lips, I would like to introduce to you how you can make your lipstick at home, very easy way. And this one I will leave like teeth paste. We'll try it later because I already cleaned my teeth with coconut oil. And the one moment, of course, this tooth paste you cannot use instead of regular paste. Yes, this teeth paste you can use before regular cleaning your teeth, 1 time a day. You can use it every day actually. It's okay, absolutely okay. Coconut oil will clean your teeth. Actually yellow, you can clean your yellow pigment if you have yellow pigment in your teeth with soda. And of course, to make your teeth shiny, we use lemon juice. Next, what I want to tell you, explain to you is our lipstick. I'll take another jar for our lipstick, and next ingredients I'm going to use is, of course, coconut oil. We're going to use a little bit of glycerin. I would say little bit, very little. Yes, and we're going to use food coloring. You can use food coloring. I have red, and the color of your lipstick depends on the quantity of food coloring you will put in it. Or if you don't have food coloring and you like to use some syrup, red syrup or brown syrup for your coffee or for tea, you can use this as well. Another method, if you don't have this and that you can use beet from a refrigerator. I think everybody has beet. Yes, just put a little bit of juice from beet in your ingredients, and you will get a pink or red color. If you want to color. If you don't want to color, of course, just don't put anything. Just don't put anything. You can use like that. You can put the refrigerator, and then this soft coconut oil become more solid, and you of course can use some spatula, something like that to apply for your lipstick, for your lips. Yes. Right now I just show you how can we use our food coloring. Like that. And of course we need to mix it together. Mix intensively. And as you see, right now we get our perfect lipstick, which can make our lips smoothie. I'll try. I don't have a mirror for this reason. I'll try as I can. Something like that. Yes. As I said, you can put this to refrigerator. Another way to use this lipstick, you can use your old lipstick if you don't have. Yes. Right now I will try to replace my lipstick, even and put instead of this liquid, put in the refrigerator and it will be consistency like this. Or if you not afraid, you can put this inside and mix it together to make even more. Yes. Now we have some hole and we're going to put inside. Just put in a hole. When process is done, just don't open right now, it's not ready yet, of course, because it's liquid. It's liquid, we did it a little bit messy right here. I just close it, I'll put it in the refrigerator and we will see what's happened with our lipstick. The most important what I want to share with you is a mask for your hair, which you can use before going to shower for 30 or even 1 hour with some towel or even nothing. You need minimum 30 minutes to hold in your head to have an effect. And of course I will take my clean jar and of course I'll get our additional cream hero today, and I'm going to replace coconut oil, natural coconut oil to my jar. I did it. Next, we're going to put in it natural honey. Honey consists lots of vitamins. Honey is the best product, substitute of usual vitamins. If you don't have enough or good quality of food, you can just eat 1 spoon 1 spoon of honey. Or even for cosmetics, it's the best. Coconut oil and honey, it's like absolutely the best consistency for your hair, for your health, for everything, really. Just put together. Like that. The last one is our lemon, and we're going to put a little bit of lemon juice. Lemon juice will help your hair shine. Okay? Like usual, we're going to mix everything together. Coconut oil 1 more time should be room temperature. If you took your coconut oil from the refrigerator, it will be very difficult to mix everything together because really it's very stony, very solid. If you put it in the refrigerator. It's ready. or even it's a first variant, yes? Even like that, you can leave and apply to your hair. Or, brief for you another secret, yes? If you consider it's not enough, you want more intensify, yes? Then you can use your regular balsam or mask for your hair and just put little bit. And just put little bit of this one to your ingredients. Yes? And again mix. That's all. That's all, my friend. You can use it. Use it, try it. You see? Can you see how easy is it? Use coconut oil for your beauty is a perfect way, perfect and cheapest way. Don't go to the shop to buy a mask for your hair or lipstick or cream. The best cream you can ever imagine you can make by yourself at home, just with coconut oil. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.